Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a table like this from ChatGPT and paste it in Google Sheets. So once you have your table generated, go ahead and type "give me this table in a CSV file." Now, it's going to take a while to generate the CSV file, and we're going to be able to download it in a while. So once the file has been generated, make sure you click the link, and you're going to be prompted for a place to save it. So I'm going to just save it somewhere, and then we can go over to Google Sheets. Now, once you open Google Sheets, you'll have to open the file that we just saved. So make sure you go to File, Import, and then Upload. So now we can browse for the file that we just saved. Now, the default option is going to create a brand new spreadsheet with my table. I'm going to leave this selected. You make sure you leave this detect automatically selected and click import data. Now, because I created a new table, it's going to give me a link to my imported table. Now, this is basically the table that I just got from ChatGPT. Now we can improve the appearance of the table by adding some borders here. So I'm going to select everything and add borders. The second thing I could do to fix this overflowing text is select the whole table and choose this option, text wrapping. If you don't see this on your top bar, make sure you click the three dots that might be appearing here. Because of the screen size, this option will be hidden. So make sure you click that and then go to wrap. And now the table is neatly displayed in my spreadsheet. So that's it for today. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.